Welcome to the ruthless world of oil, power, and profit. You, a top executive of a large multinational oil corporation, have been sent to a war-torn nation prosperous in black gold. But you are not alone. Several aggressive big oil agents are also in the region. The real profit in commodity trading lies not in stability, but in mastering chaos. In a fragmented land in which power does not lie in one leader, but in three competing factions: the government, the insurgent National Liberation Front, and the Guerillas. You'll play all sides through blackmail, bribes, and the sale of weapons to buy drilling rights so that you can transport and sell oil into the world market. As you exploit these factions, you'll see how easily power, money, and greed feed into a cycle of instability. Deals struck in back rooms, alliances forged and betrayed, bribes handed under the table. Every action brings you closer to fortune, but also pushes this fragile region closer to political collapse. It's a world where morality takes a backseat to profit, power plays are currency, and every choice you make ripples through a delicate web of greed and ambition. Are you ready to join the ranks of history's most infamous resource traders and claim your place at the top? Then enter the world of peak oil, Profiteer by 2 Tomato Games. This is not a paid promotion. I bought this game as an educator. Micro and global economic concepts within the game include theory of the firm. Whether it be competing oligopolistic firms, ambitious and corruptible political and military leaders, or corporate executives, the strategic behavior between players is the same. Thus, game theory and aspects of the payoff matrix are present. A 2-player game can reveal features of a duopolistic market structure, while a 3 to 5-player game can reveal oligopolistic strategic behavior between competing players. In addition, the global oil industry represents aspects of both perfect competition and oligopolistic market structures. Relevant books on the topic of political economics, which this game brings to mind, are The Dictator's Handbook, Why Bad Behavior is Almost Always Good Politics by Bruce Bueno de Mesquita and Alastair Smith. On the topic of development economics, Why Nations Fail, The Origins of Power, Prosperity, and Poverty by Darren Acemoglu and James A. Robinson. In global economics, The World for Sale, Money, Power, and the Traders Who Barter the Earth's Resources by Javier Blas and Jack Farchi. Also in global economics, The New Map, Energy, Climate, and the Clash of Nations by Daniel Yergin. And in science fiction, just as oil must flow in the industrial world, the spice must flow in the Imperium of Doom. So let's get into the unboxing of the game. More videos to come on Peak Oil Profiteer. So stay tuned for videos on these games and more.